Welcome back everyone to another random review video. Today we'll be reviewing the Nature Valley Protein Peanut and Chocolate Bar. Has 10 grams of protein. It's gluten free. It's about 40 grams. And I have never tried them, so let's unbox one. There we go. It's chocolate on the bottom, then it has peanuts and chocolate chips mixed through it. Let's take a bite. It's delicious. It tastes just like the very expensive crunchy nut bars. It tastes exactly the same. You can get them pretty cheap, about a couple dollars for a box of 10. They're really good. Love them. So make sure you subscribe and like this video and go and check out my other videos. Milk and